I did it, y'all. It's just, let me make sure it's not leaking up there. Okay, yeah, that's good. That's that. Ooh, just gonna get this shower drink situated. That's the shower head at the top, and then this is magnetic. I thought it was filtered, but it's not. It is magnetic. She'll be able to reach it. It's long enough. And to use the shower head, I just gotta change this setting here. Woo woo! Got different settings. Oh, okay. All right, that's enough. I'm getting water everywhere. I wonder if it's an off feature, so it don't get wet everywhere. No, it's not off feature. It would have been great if it had an off feature, but she's not gonna get up to turn it off. Oh wait, I think it does have an off feature. Oh yeah, it does have an off feature. And there you have it.